shaped like a stout pepper grinder. The Curta calculators were produced in large quantities until 1970, when a company in Japan invented the first digital pocket calculator and the demand for the antiquated device faded. In the 1970s and 1980s, it released a variety of microprocessor-based consumer products including handheld calculators, digital watches, electronic musical instruments, and televisions. A resource guide to the abacus. An abacus is a device composed of beads that slide along rods, which fit into a frame. In ancient times, the abacus was used as a calculator. It aided in performing mathematical processes like counting, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. They are called calculators rather than adding machines because complex gear systems allow them to perform multiplication and division by repetitive addition or subtraction. One mechanical model made by Frieden is actually able to use gears and levers to extract square roots. Electronic device, the chips inside a calculator work by reducing any information you give it to its binary equivalent. Binary numbers translate our numbers in a base 2 system, in which we represent each digit by a 1 or a 0, doubling each time we move up a digit. What's inside a calculator? This does the same job as all the hundreds of gears in an early calculator. Output, a liquid crystal. Display, LCD, for showing you the numbers you type in and the results of your calculations. They are called calculators rather than adding machines because complex gear systems allow them to perform multiplication and division by repetitive addition or subtraction. One mechanical model made by Frieden is actually able to use gear